afternoon to you all children. So in today's session, let's do a revision on chapter that is worksheet 8, adverb, nouns and also gender. So first we'll revise on the topic adverbs. Okay, now let me ask you a few questions before we move on to the topic. Okay, Adrinath, come on, tell me what is a verb. Adrinath, unmute it. Are you able to do it? Okay, Manuel, yes, come on, tell me what is a verb is. Yes, Adrinath? Adrinath, are you able to? Yes, come on, tell me what is a verb. Yes, the question passes on to Emmanuel. Come on, tell me.
Action.
Yes, verb is
Action.
an, yes, it's okay, Adrinath. Verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. Okay, Emmanuel, come on, give me a few
Action
examples for action words. So verb is an action word. Emmanuel, give me a few examples. Come on.
Word.
Yes. What is that?
A word is an action word.
Okay, that is okay. Now I wanted a few examples for action words. Give me an examples for action words.
Drink.
Drink, yes, very good. Drinking water is an action word. It is a verb. Yes, then.
Cook.
Cook, yes, cooking is an action. Mommy is cooking. Yes, then.
Shout.
Shout, yes, shout is an action. Then.
Run.
Run, yes, run. All the action words. Very good, Emmanuel. Marvelous. Okay, so all the action words are called verb. Is that clear to all of you? All
Yes,
the actions. Fighting is an action. Don't you fight with your brothers and sisters? Okay, so fight, run, kick, jump, hit others. All the actions that you do, all the actions are called as verb.
Right.
Okay, now,
And can I
yes, now let me ask me, Abba, come on, tell me, then what is an adverb is?
adverb?
Ah,
Tell us more about the verb.
verb. Yes, it's called an adverb. Very good, Abba. So, an adverb tells more about the verb or it describes the verb. We said that right. Now we have to ask a question. How did she write? She writes neatly. So, which is the adverb in the sentence here? Neatly. Okay. So, neatly tells us how the action happens. Okay. So, neatly tells us how she writes. Is that clear? So, neatly is the adverb in the sentence. So, similarly, run. How did she run? Or how did he run? Quickly. So quickly tells us how the action happens. Okay, so quickly is the adverb in the sentence. Now we quickly will move on to the topic. Okay, children? So let's move on to the topic. Okay, quickly we'll brush up on all these topics what we have. We are going to revise in today's class. So all of you get ready for it.
Yes.
All of you please get ready. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. Yes, quickly. So quickly we'll revise on the topic on adverbs. Adverbs we know, adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay? All of you have a quick look at the slides, all of you. An adverb is a word that tells something more about the verb. Is that clear to all of you? It describes the verb here. Now we quickly will move on to the examples here. You can see an example here. Agnel Joshi, come on, read the sentence. Agnel, what you can see in the slide?
Eating.
Yes, read the sentence. I
eat my break.
No, what is written here, you write here, or you read. What is being written here, you read. I don't want your own sentence. Eight.
Ate.
Hmm.
I ate
Hmm.
my
Hmm.
dinner.
Dinner. Quickly. Quickly. Okay, now pick up the adverb in the sentence.
Quickly.
Yes, quickly is the adverb in the sentence. Okay, so quickly describes the verb ate. It tells us how the boy eats his dinner. So he ate his dinner quickly. So quickly is the adverb in the sentence. It tells how the action happens. Is that clear? Now we'll move on to the exercises which are very important for us. Now you'll be getting this type of an exercise. You have to change the word into adverb. How do we change the word into adverb, children? How do we change a word into an adverb? How do we change a word into an adverb? Who can give me the answer? Aradhya, come on, tell me, how do we change the word into an adverb, Aradhya? By adding which all letters? By adding which letters do we change the word into adverb? Who can give me? Ly. Very good, Aradhya. So how do we change this word into adverb, Aradhya? Loud.
Loudly, quickly.
Loudly. Very good,
Loudly,
Loudly. Yes, quickly.
quickly.
Yes, it's very quite easy, children. So in order to change the word into adverb, what we have to do, add ly. In certain cases, if the words ends with y, what we have to do, change that y into, who can give me? I, yes, it is Greed. Change that y into I, then add ly. Very good, very good. Yes, Aradhya. Anna Mary, come on, do the next one. Bitter. Bitterly. Who's saying the answer? Yes, bitter. Only that person. Yes, bitter. Then we have to do what? What we have to do? Ly. Very good. Yes. Ivan, come on, Ivan. Do the next one for me, Ivan. Angrily. Yes. Here, angrily, what we have to do to the word? Here the word ends with by. So what I have to do, Ivan? Yes, come on, tell me. Grilly. Tell me the spelling. I-L-Y. Very good, very good. Ayush, come on, Ayush. Do the next one for me, Ayush. Yes, slowly. What's the spelling?
Slowly.
L-Y. Very good, very good. Okay, Nived, come on, do the next one for me, Nived. Nived, I wanted the others, please do mute it. Nived will tell me the answers. All the others, please do mute it. Okay, Nived, come on. Yes, neatly. What's the spelling for neatly, Nived? L-Y. Yes, very good. Now we'll switch on to, one more sentence we'll be doing it. Amazia, come on, Amazia. Do this. Eighth one. No, smartly you leave it. That is, do this eighth one for me. Happily. Very good. What's the spelling for happily, Amazia? I-L-Y. Before adding ly to it, don't forget to change the y into I before adding ly to it. Please don't forget. All the other words are simply add ly to it. Is a very easy. But the words that ends with y, what we have to do? Change it. Yes, I-L-Y. Very good, children. Now we'll move on to the exercise part of it. Okay, Esther, come on. Okay. Yes. Esther, first question. Pick out the adverb in the following sentences. So, read the first one. Sang melodiously. So, which is the adverb in the sentence, Esther?
Melodiously.
Yes, melodiously is the adverb in the sentence. Melodiously tells us how the action happens, how the girl sang. How did the girl sing? She sang melodiously, very sweetly. Okay, so melodiously is the adverb in the sentence. Okay, now we'll move on to the next person. Saharish, come on, Saharish. Renfred, I'll come to you. Okay, Saharish, come on, read the sentence.
Politely. Spoke politely.
Okay, pick out the verb, adverb in the sentence.
Politely.
Yes, politely is the adverb in the sentence. Politely tells us how the action happens. Very good. Now,
Bitterly.
wait. I don't want any answers from anyone unless I call you. Wait for my call. I'll call you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you say?
Wait. 1 minute, my dear. I'll call out your name. Some of your videos are not turned on. So I'm finding it difficult to see your faces. Unless I see your faces, I'm not going to call you. Fida, come on, Fida.
Bitterly.
Fida, who's saying the answer here? Fida, read the sentence. Come on. Third question. Child.
Child cried bitterly.
Okay, pick out the adverb in the sentence.
Bitterly.
Bitterly. Very good. So bitterly is the adverb in the sentence. Bitterly tells us how the action, how the girl cried. Cried. Okay. Yes.
I saying that.
Yes. Please, others, please don't say the answers. Only unless you are called. Okay. Now, we'll move on to the next one. Renfred, come on, read the next question. Renfred, unmute it, please. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the next question.
They lived happily.
Okay, pick out the adverb in the sentence.
Happily.
Happily. So, happily is the adverb in the sentence. It tells us how they lived, how the action takes place. Okay, how the action happens. Then, now we'll move on to Agnal Joshi. Come on, Agnal Joshi, do the next one for me. The only one more sentence is, yes, Agnal. You just raise your hands, children. I'll be calling you. Yes, Agnal. Yes, you should
You
drive.
D-R-I-V.
Yes, it's drive. Drive.
Drive. C-A-R-E.
C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. What is that word? Is carefully. Carefully. So, pick out the adverb in the sentence.
Carefully.
Yes, carefully is the adverb in the sentence. It tells us how the action happens. Okay. So these are the two types of exercises you will be getting for the examination, children. One exercise regarding the adverb is changing the word into adverb. The other one is identifying the adverb in the sentence. And both are quite easy. Now we'll move on to the next part of the, that is the noun. Noun is a quite easier chapter, children. What is a noun, children? Wait. Yes. I'll be asking you. Giselle, come on, tell me what is a noun is. What is a noun, Giselle?
Noun is the naming word.
Very good, Giselle. Noun is a naming word. As I've already explained to you, everything in this world has a name. So all naming words are called nouns. It names what? It names a person, place, animal, or a thing. So here are the few examples for person. So person, here are the few examples are there. Mother, teacher, father, friend, all persons, okay, are the examples for people. Now, places, many places are there that we see in and around. So home, beach, park, zoo, all these are the examples for places. Now, we'll move on to the animals. Animals are also noun. Okay, animals, the names of animals are also nouns. So all the animals that we see around and also the birds are the examples for animals and birds. Okay, so all these animals and the birds are nouns, things that we see around us. All the things are the names of nouns, are the examples for nouns. So noun is nothing but, children, is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. That's all. Noun is a naming word, names of person, place, animal, or a thing. Now the exercise for us is just to identify the nouns in a sentence. So let's move on to it. Let me see who hasn't got the chance. Aiden Ajay, come on, Aiden. Read the sentence and find out the noun of that sentence. Aiden, please unmute it. Do it fast, my dear. Aiden, are you able to unmute it? No? Okay, Shravan, come on, Shravan. Read the next question. No, sorry, read the first question for me.
The cow lives in a shed.
Okay, pick out the noun in that sentence.
Shed.
Shed, yes, shed is a noun. Then,
Cow.
cow, yes, cow is the name of a person. Only 4 things are there in noun. Names of person, place, animal or thing. As you go to the higher classes, you learn more about the nouns. Now for time being, we have to know that nouns are names of person, place, animal or thing. So cow is a animal, shed is a name of a place. Very good. Now we'll move on to the next question. Amaya, come on, Amaya. Read the next question, Amaya. Unmute it, please. Yes. Read the question.
What a beautiful car.
Okay, very good. Now, pick out the nouns on that.
Car.
Yes, car. Very good. Then?
View.
Ah,
Ron.
Ron. Yes, Ron is the name of a person and car is the name of a thing. So both are nouns. Very good. Now I'll move on to Agnes. Agnes, come on, Agnes. Unmute it. Read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the third question. Sarah
Sarah
saw
saw
Mm.
a
Mm,
fox in the
mm. backyard.
backyard.
So,
Sarah.
so Sarah's a noun. Then
Fox.
fox is a noun. Very good. Then backyard. Yes, backyard is also a noun. Okay, so please do mute your audios, children. Then Shine, come on, do the last one. Do the last question. 4th question. Shine.
Yes.
Yes.
Amit writing.
Is writing.
Writing
Mm.
a letter.
Okay, Amit is writing a letter. So pick out the nouns in that sentence.
Amit
Amit, very good.
letter.
Letter, that's all. Okay. So these exercises, we'll be doing it later. Here is another type of an exercise. Andrea, come on. Circle the words that are not nouns. Andrea, come on, do the first one for me. Sing.
Sing.
Mm.
Boy.
Mm.
Girl.
Mm.
School.
Mm.
Teacher.
Teacher, okay. Sing, boy, girl, school, teacher. So pick up the noun, pick out the word that is not a noun.
No.
Not a noun. All the others are nouns. You have to pick up the word that is not a noun.
Sing.
Sing, very good. So sing is a word here that is not a noun. It does not belong to this group. Very good. Fida, did you get the chance? Fida, come on. Read the next question.
Pen, happily, pencil, bag, box.
Okay, pick out the word that is not a noun.
Happily.
Very good, Fida. It is happily. Okay. Now I'll move on to Adrinath. Adrinath, come on. Do the next one for me. Third question. Adrinath, come on, Adrinath.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
I mute?
What is that?
Books. Read.
Library.
Library.
Shelf.
Shelf. Picture.
Yes, shelf, picture. Now pick out the word which is, yes, read. Yes, very good. Shreya, come. Yes, very good.
Read.
Shreya, come on. Word in these group of words which are not yes, come on, tell me. Shreya, read the words first. Shreya.
Yes,
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Tall.
Tall. Elephant.
Ears.
Mm.
Tail.
Tail. Okay. Now pick out the word which is not a noun.
Tall. Tall. Yes.
Come on. Who can give me the answer? Which is not a noun, children. Yes.
Tail.
Giraffe, tall, elephant, ears, tail. So which is not a noun here?
Tall.
Yes. Tall is not a noun. All the others are nouns. Ears, tail, parts of the body are also nouns. Okay, children. So we have finished with adverb and also noun. Adverb, we have said we know what we have to do. Only the adding of ly. Nouns are nothing but is a name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. You have to identify the noun in a sentence, or you will be getting few words. You have to pick out the noun in those few words. Okay, according to the question. Now we'll move to the gender, children. All of you to be. Who's that singing during the session? Okay, now we'll move on to the gender, children. Gender, in gender, we have to learn the masculine and the feminine gender by heart. Okay, there is no other way. I wanted all of you to write and study well with the spellings. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. So as we know, there are 4 genders, that is masculine, feminine, common gender, and the neuter gender. All of you look at the slide here. All of you look here. Masculine gender denotes a male, denotes a male. Feminine gender denotes a female. Okay, common gender denotes both male and female. And the neuter gender tells about the inanimate or the non-living things. Okay, now just move on to this table. I've told you that there are 24 words are given in your workbook. I wanted all of you to learn all the 24 words by heart. Okay, so let's move on to this exercise now. This exercise you have to learn for every masculine gender. As I've already told you, there is an opposite feminine gender too. So we have to learn it well with the spelling. Okay, we'll start with this now. This is an important exercise, children. I wanted all of you to do it well. All of you turn on your videos, children. Yes, Evelyn Anterton, come on, I'll start with Evelyn. Come on, read the first word and give me the feminine gender of it. Tiger. Yes, tiger.
Tigress.
Yes, very good. Tiger is tigress. All of you, tigress is Gress. Okay. Now I'll move on to Amazia. Come on, Amazia. Amazia. Go to the next word. Sun. Sun. Amazia, sun. What's the opposite gender for the sun is? Sun. Yes, give me the answer quickly. Sun. The feminine gender for sun is? Sun. Who can give me the answer? Sun. Agnel Joshi, come on, give me the answer for sun. Sun.
Daughter.
Very good. Daughter. When you learn the masculine and the feminine gender, the spellings are also very, very important. Okay. Now I'll move on to Anna Maria. Come on. Do the next one for me. Bull, it is. What's the feminine gender? Bull, it is cow.
Cow.
Cow. Now, Agnel Gills. Come on, Agnel Gills. Give me the answer for the third one. Sorry, the fourth one. Lion.
Lioness.
Yes, very good. Lioness, lioness. Okay. Now, Okay, Agnes, come on, give me the answer for the next one. Man. What's the feminine gender for man is?
Woman.
Woman. Very good.
WOMON.
MAN. Okay, very good. Now I'll move on to the next person. Aldidev M. Nair, your video is, please do turn on your videos. Esther, come on, Esther. Unmute it.
Yes,
Esther.
ma'am.
Yes, do the next one for me. Nephew.
Nephews.
Nephew is what? Nephew.
Niece.
Niece. Okay, N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Okay, N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Okay, children. So the nephew is niece.
Niece.
Okay, N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Okay, now we'll move on to the next word. You can do this for me. There's a lot of disturbances, children. I don't know in your system. Shravan, come on, Shravan. Do the next one for me. Yes, Prince.
Princess.
Yes, Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. Okay. Now, Adrinath, come on. Do the next one. Uncle. Uncle is
Yes,
aunt.
ma'am.
Yes, uncle is
Andy.
aunt. Yes.
Andy.
Yes, aunt. So we have revised the 3 chapters, children. Adverbs, you have nothing to learn. You have to identify the adverb in the sentence. It is very easy for us to identify the adverbs. What did all of you do? Yes, who's that? Parents. Yes. So adverbs we know. Identify the adverb in the sentence, or you will be getting the question, change the word into the adverb form. Okay, so we have to add ly or illy to it, or you identify the adverb in a sentence. It's easy for us to identify the adverb in a sentence. The next thing we have learned is all about the noun. Noun is nothing but is a naming word, is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So you'll be getting the questions which I have just shown now. Then you'll be getting gender. Gender is nothing but you have to learn the masculine and the feminine gender by heart. The masculine, if both the genders has to be learned well. Okay, children? Or the words will be given. You should be able to identify whether it's a masculine gender or a feminine gender or a common gender or a neuter gender. Okay, so this is how the questions will be asked. So learn it well. Now we'll move on to the revision test. Okay, so are you all ready? Get ready for it. The link will be sent in your chat box, children. All of you, please check your chat box. Who's playing in the chat box here? Is it Esther? Yes, I pasted the link in the chat box. Please do have a look at it. The questions are quite easy. Only 5 questions I've given you. So write your name, click onto the class section, pick out the adverb in the following sentence. The sentence is given here. It rained heavily. Click onto the right options. Change the following word into adverb. Okay, happy is given here. You have to change that word into adverb. Now, masculine gender of the word aunt. Now, find out the masculine gender for the word aunt. Now, the next question is you have to find out the feminine gender of poet. The last question is pick out the noun. My mother is gentle but strict. So click on to the right options. So after doing it, please do click on to the submit button. I'm waiting for your responses, children. Yes, started. Shut, stop. Why, children, you're not familiar with the adverbs, no? Why many of you have written there rained there? It is rained is the adverb for you? Huh? What happened to Arjun? Arjun has got very less marks. All the questions are quite easier one. Only 5 questions I've given you. Clear. Now, children, let me ask you something. Did all of you get the link in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have all of you clicked on to the submit button?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we wind up today's session?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Today's exam was simple.
Yes. So please do revise well for your exams, children. This is how you will revise for your exams. Not much to learn. Learn only the concepts, okay? But try to learn the masculine and the feminine gender by heart. Okay, the nouns and the adverb, only you need to know the concept, what has to be learned. Okay, children. So I think so we have come to the end of today's session. So bye, children. Have a great day. When have your lunch? Bye, children. Take care. Bye.